Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Galaxy SmartTag 2-pack from Samsung. Galaxy SmartTag makes your on-the-go life more worry-free than ever. Keep track of something precious while it's on the move, or find your car keys that fell behind the couch. With the Galaxy Find network, easily find what you're lost within 120 meters, even when offline. You can even control various of smart devices at your home with just one tap of the SmartTag. And of course, all that you can do it by just download the SmartThing app from the Google Play Store or the Galaxy Store. And the Galaxy SmartTag is only compatible with Samsung Galaxy smartphones. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how am I going to use it. And of course, install it on my smartphone, on my Galaxy smartphone. We have some manual instructions. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Nothing else at the package. And we have two of these. One, it is in light gray and one black. SmartTag Galaxy, it says. Samsung. And it has this hole. You can have your keys, your keychain, and have it with you. Nice, I like it. Compare it with the Apple tag, you need to buy a case. Okay. Now, let's find out my smartphone and start the setup. There's the button, just press once. We can hear the sound, and there it is at my smartphone, Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 9D6B. Add now. Continue. Okay, location, nearby devices, continue. We're using the app. Allow. Getting everything ready. Okay, agree. Connecting to SmartTag. Press the button in the center of the SmartTag. It's been registered to your Samsung account. And of course, it has a Bluetooth 2.4 GHz. That's why it has a coverage about 120 meters. And you can rename the device. For now, SmartTag. You can change the icon. Okay. Set as favorite. And done. How to use SmartThings. Tap a device card to check the devices and more. We're going to find out all together. Before using this tag device, start. Use with SmartThings Find. Ring your tag to help you find it. Some information. Get notifications when you leave tags behind. Download. Locate your devices anytime, anywhere. This phone. Other phone, my S21 Fi. Done. Agree. Okay. You can search nearby. This is a signal right now. I am at my home. And now I'm getting closer at the SmartTag. And we can see the signal strength. It is stronger. And I'm here. Nice. You can even press and start rings. Okay, I find you. Stop. You can navigate, but you're already in the same location as the SmartTag. I will do that later. You can ring. Again. Okay, perfect. Location history. Got it. And here you can see the history. Notify when left behind. Receive a notification if you leave the device somewhere that's far away from your phone. Okay. Share the device's location. Members of home will be able to see where is this device. Perfect. Share. And you can invite. Send an invitation or use a QR code. And you can see the members' devices. Let's go back. Connect it. Let Tag find your device, double press the button on your tag to make your phone ring. Perfect. Double tap. And there it is. Your tag is trying to find this phone. Perfect. You can adjust the volume, low, or high. You can choose a ringtone. Apply. There it is. And stop. The battery, sufficient 16 to 100%, low is 6 to 15%, and very low 0 to 5%. Okay. Turn on the lights, send a notification, or control our devices with your tags button. You can set different actions for pressing the button and holding the button. Nice. Okay. Use button for routines. Press it. Add. Control devices. And let's choose game light. Next. Turn on or turn off. Turn on and turn off. The same. Okay. And you can choose color control. Okay, let's say that color, done. Dimmer, 38%, done. If you don't have the color control, you can choose the color temperature. Let's say color control. Delay this action for 10, 20, 30, 1 minute and customize. Okay, perfect. Auto turn off. After 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, and customize again. Hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay. And done. Save. Has made the sound the Samsung tag. And it says game light, turn on color, control dimmer 37%. Okay. Held, no action is assigned. Again. Game light, next. Turn off. And done. Save. Okay, perfect. There is everything. Held, game light, turn off. Now this is the game light. Let's try it. Oh, blue light. I like it. Press and hold. And it will turn off. Nice. Press again. Sound turns on. And I have adjusted at my own needs from the SmartThings app. Press and hold. And it will switch off. Nice. And the same thing you can do for other devices, let's say your smart alarm, your smart plug, your TV, your AC unit, your robo vacuum, and more. But they need to be compatible with the SmartThings. At this time, SmartThings, they don't have all the brands, let's say from Xiaomi, they don't have all the smart devices, or from the Smart Life are not compatible with all smart devices. Of course, that has to do with some security reasons or the manufacturer from the smart device. Well, I hope in the future they will upgrade and have more and more smart devices and just control them from the SmartTag with a push of the button. Now, the same thing you can add and the second one. Just press once and there it is. Instantly, add now. And you can rename again, let's say, now that I will have it at my car. It is car. Done. Perfect. And the same configurations. Now, after 24 hours, I have gave my SmartTag to my friend. It is in work. And now it says here, on the go SmartTag not near you. I need just to check how it's working, if it will give me the location of the SmartTag. View map, and is asking me for my PIN from my Samsung account. And there it is, yep, spotted by nearby Galaxy device. I have found my SmartTag. And because a Samsung Galaxy device it is nearby, is sharing the location of the SmartTag through the smartphone. Nice, I like it, it is amazing. And down here we have the location. You can zoom and zoom at the map. Nice. So cool. Definitely I will install it at my car just for a second measurement of security. I have a smart alarm, is sending me notification if anything wrong with my car. Maybe someone is trying to steal my car. And definitely I will install in this SmartTag as a second measurement of security. And I have a notification, SmartTag was spotted from nearby device. And of course you can search nearby, searching nearby. If you leave the screen, you'll get a notification when your SmartTag is detected. Okay, stop. I will test that later. It says 120 meters, it is the maximum coverage. I will just hide my SmartTag somewhere and then I will just try and find it. Navigate.
Head east, then turn left.
Okay, you can just navigate through your Google Maps. And of course you can unzoom and check the location better. Nice. Location history. And there is the location. I have the address. And of course it can notify me when it's found. You can check. Or notify when left behind. Receive a notification if you leave the device somewhere that's far away from your phone. And you can share this device location. So cool. And you can use it on so many things. You can have it at your bag, at your keys, at your car, motorcycle, bicycle. I was a victim. My bicycle was stolen from me. Next time, maybe I will buy an iPhone and I will have an Apple SmartTag on my bicycle. 2 levels of security from Samsung and from Apple. Yeah, it is so frustrating when someone is stealing you your bike. Now let's hide my SmartTag and see if I can find it. I have just parked my car away from my home. I have the SmartTag at my car. Is starting searching nearby devices. My SmartTag it is on flying and I am about 140 meters away from my car. And now I'm just moving at my car slowly and it keeps searching for the SmartTag. And after 1 minute of searching, it says in a crowded places you may need to be closer to the lost device to detect it. Try moving around to increase your chances of finding it. Around me I have some buildings, other cars and more stuff. I'm just walking around. Now at this moment I am about 100 meters away. And there is a notification, smart things find, your car is nearby. Nice, we are getting closer. At this point I am about 80 meters away from my car. And now it says move around to find your device, that means I'm getting closer. And at this point I am about 50 meters away. Signal is getting stronger and I'm getting closer to my car. And yep, correct, we have a signal, the bar is getting green. And there I am, I just find my device. Pressing the sound button is ringing, highest volume, lowest volume again, or mute. And stop. That was very easy and very accurate. Definitely it helps a lot just to find a lost thing. And if you are in an open area, definitely you will have a better signal. I think the results was very good. I was in a crowded place, buildings around, walking at the street just to find my SmartTag. Well guys, that was all about. Thumbs up for me, definitely. I will have the one at my car and the other for me at my keys. Turn on, turn off some of the smart devices when I'm near at my home before entering. And the two tags together, they cost about 37 euros. I think the price is very good for the things that it can do. And who knows, maybe at the future they may save you from a lot of problems. That was all guys. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.